Hey there, I hope you're doing well. So, today we have brought a very interesting workshop by NIT Trichy based on cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Let's have a look at the details of the workshop one by one. The National Institute of Technology Trichy is organizing a 5-day workshop on cybersecurity and ethical hacking. The date of the workshop will be from 22nd to 26th of March 2021. Let's have a look at the objectives. To empower attendees with quality information on emerging threats, techniques, strategies, solutions, and cost effective methods of ensuring a comprehensive cybersecurity infrastructure. The learner will get knowledge about securing both clean and corrupted systems, protect personal data, and to secure computer networks. Let's have a look at the topics which will be covered. Cyber race between attackers and defenders. The digital battle between customers and manufacturer. Internet of Things and security. Cybersecurity and why it matters. Blockchain security. How cybersecurity goes wrong in the financial sector. Antivirus manipulation with Trojan worms and viruses. Let's have a look at the registration fees. For IEEE student members, the fees is 450 rupees per head. For non-IEEE members, the fee will be 500 rupees per head. Let's have a look at all those who can apply. Students, research scholars, employees, faculty members, and cybersecurity enthusiasts, all of these can apply. The maximum number of participants will be limited to 100 on first come first served basis. The last date to apply is 20th of March 2021 by evening 5 p.m. The applicants will be intimidated through the email on 21st of March 2021. To apply, you can click on the link given here. And for more info, you can visit on the link given here. Thank you for listening.